Hi guys, this is my Crossman Stinger P90 Airsoft review. Just wait. Alright. Here's the gun. I don't know if you can see it or not, but as you can see, it's broken because I was chewing on it and the thing fell out. So now like the breech and stuff is broken, as you can see. And now that orange tip like slides forward. And I heard it's illegal to take it off. I got this from Walmart at my local Walmart because they sold them, so I wanted to buy one. So I bought it with some BBs, and it has a 30-day warranty. But my 30 days have been up for years and years, so that's too bad.